Today, playing Build a Boat. Yay! 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 And right now, I'm in the green team. But as soon as there's no one on the white team, ding! Going on. Okay, so let's build a boat. Oh, look at my master building skills. It's done! See, look at that beautiful face. But we must add stuff. Oh, and get rid of this too. Gonna add that. You need to give a accessible. Is that the word? I'm not sure. An accessible way to get in. So we're gonna let's do a little test right here. But we're not gonna paint it just yet. So okay, so we can't go in. Alright, great. So add this in the front. Okay, can I get in now? Bro's just freaking top spinning and ringing ding 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 ding. Okay, can't get in still. At this point, just get rid of all these blocks right here. Yeah. Yeah, can finally get in. Okay, perfect. Now this guy's here. So we're gonna give this. This is gonna be a fighting. I swear, this kid needs to go somewhere. So here's his little. He's wielding it. Okay, now. Okay, so we'll use this. It's a sword. Good, good. Now I need to rotate. There. So I'm gonna put this right here. Then I'll put another one. There you go. I messed up. It's fine. No one's gonna notice. Can you notice? If this was charging right at you, you wouldn't notice. Good, 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 good. Next, we're gonna add the crown. Okay, this block. So, what should we add? What should we add? Okay, yeah, crown. We're gonna give him a little crown. So we add this. I messed up on that. I want this to be perfect, not weird looking. Okay, good. Do good. Perfect. Now we add the little thingies. Not done yet. Wait. This. Okay, next we add. Get rid of this. That. Okay, time for the yellow bit. It's yellow. Now I'm gonna close my eyes and I'll pick a different random color. Okay, this. Wow, it's beautiful. Look at the beautiful face. Okay, next, need to add. A thruster. Okay, this is his boot. No, never mind. He's okay. Wait. This is our shoulder pads. Oh wait, no. Okay. Wait, horns. Okay, perfect. It's perfect. Also, I gotta color this real quick. Boop. It's beautiful. Still that. Hey, perfect. Oh, and let's put this inside real quick. Wait, let's change this for this. It's perfect. Okay, now we save this. Yes. Alright, perfect. Now let's get in here. work. Okay, hold on. Beep, 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 beep. There you go. We're in. Let's go. It broke. Okay, you know what? Ring, ding, 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 ding. Beep, beep. This is little Timmy. Skirt, 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 scurry, scurry. Oh, wait. Beep. Yo, we're on top. Perfect. We said this. Back up. Oh, it's gone. Yay! We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship. Go through the stars, little light stars. Wait, can we do this? Can we do this? Can we do this? Okay, wait, beep, beep, beep. We're stuck. Yay, I died. What the? Eat. Okay. So I'm broke as a joke. At least I got 35 buckaroonies. Okay. Oh, and my cousin joined. So we're gonna make a boat. Yay! Okay, so I'm gonna give a grand tour of the cruise ship. Meet the cruise ship. So this we got the cruise ship on the bottom. We got 3 thrusters. Beep, 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 beep. I'm gonna get rid of this real quick. Boop. There you go, that. And a button real quick. Get rid of that. Okay, I'm stuck. What did he put down? Okay. Okay, so we're gonna. Okay, I'm not sure if a switch will work, but we'll try that. Yeah. You know what? I'll just grab one of these actually. Just grab one of these. I'll put this one right here actually. Okay, perfect. And then I'll just like go. Bro, who are you? He's back. Look at this weird guy. He's back. Hey, you got the dogman fit. Alright, let's go. Wait, I gotta get into my shirt. Go! Wee! This amazing. Hey, let's go. We got the double thrusters. It's perfect. It's perfect, bro. It's perfect. We're in the cruise ship. Yeah. Oh my god. Here you go. Okay, so I'm not giving it to anymore. Okay, bro. Okay, I should have went all the way like right there. Oh my god, I got the hiccups. I let go. Okay. Beep, beep, beep. I actually thought the marshmallow was still there. Skirt, skirt, ring, ding, 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 ring, ding, 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 skirt, skirt, skirt. Okay, whatever. Look, so we got the railings. It's perfect. Okay, huh? Oh man, no swim. Okay, so I thought there was gonna be the no swim level, because if there was, I'm speeding, bro. I don't care if I get caught. Ring, ding, ding, ding. Look. Okay. What the heck? Beep, 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 beep. Skirt. Oh my god. Wait, oh, they throw. Okay, bro. Okay. Bro, we're doing jumps. He cooked, I tell you. Cooked. Hey, bro, we cooked. We're actually cooking. Okay. I might die right here, so... Perfect. Okay, we made it a little bit farther. Okay, now again. Never mind. Well, that was gory. Anyways, next one. Today we're gonna do the train. I'm also gonna add a horns, because why not? So we put this like that. Okay, let's put that on the wheel. Put this on the wheel. And that right there. Perfect. Anyone want to see? It's the limited edition premium VIP. He's making himself some protection. So we got thrusters on everyone. So basically we use one thruster for right here, and then once that runs out, another one, and then we're completely out. Alright, let's go. Wait, we should probably add, I'm gonna add a torch. Right here. Okay, time for the balloons. We'll put one right here. We gotta put one right here on the seat. Okay, whatever. Wait, I got an idea. If I sit in this... Okay, whatever. Alright, Louis, let's go. Gotta open this. There's a conductor seat. Gotta wait now. Don't forget one of these. Come back. One of these. It's gonna be a little bit hard because, well, we're on the green. But we need the white team. And so then, like, it just goes all the way over there forward. Okay. It's perfect, guys. Well, he got his own little seat. And then I'm over here. It's perfect. Right, here's the little buttons. We go clickety clickety clack. Okay, so I made it all blue to make it match with the water. I let go. Oh no, the candle fell! No, the candle fell. I let go. Skirt. Oh, and the chair fell too. It's fine. Nobody cares about him. Okay, that. We're gonna use this time because it's simpler. It's easy. So, beep, 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 beep. We just hit. Oh, wait. I'm gonna do the thing. Dang, I can't do it. Okay, whatever. Let's go. We got our little ram. The flags are the rammers. Okay. Next, we go completely forward. Okay, here's a ram. Oh my god, we're cooked. We're cooked, I tell you. Okay, if our little ram right there gets broken one more time, we're screwed. Okay. Oh my god, the wheels are. We need the wheels. We're messing up. Bro, why are all my family members joining? Brother, what the heck? Okay, we gotta load the boat back in. Because my friends... Okay, no, my cousins joined. I'm only gonna let one of them come, okay? So I have one cousin who was with us already. And then we have another cousin. And then another one had to join. But I'm only allowing one. Because the other one's pretty annoying. And it's been 4 years. And my cousin that I don't want to join is right there. He's over there, like right next to me. And the white guy's still here making a bank or something. I don't know. You know, why don't we work on... Okay, why don't we work on that? throw. Okay. Where? Okay, so I have. Where are my flags? Okay, I have 2 more. There you go. So let's throw that one. There you go. Perfect. It's beautiful. Nobody sit here. Oh, I gotta get rid of this. Perfect. We got our Rams. Oh, wait. I got a better idea. Let's add Jerry and Terry with the Y and Terry with an I. Perfect. Bro, oh my God, you got the cocomelon feet. Melon. I spelled it wrong. Melon fit. Cocomelon fit. Bro, I need that cocomelon fit. I need 10 Boba to get that fit. Okay. 30 subs and I'll get the cocomelon fit. And why not? Wait, 50 subs. 50 subs. Way better. 50 subs. 50 subs. And then I'll work cocomelon for like a really long time. For like however long I record. Whoa. Stay here. Stay with me. But I have something to say. I got into stop motion. Yay. There's a duck. That's fish. And he doesn't have a name because he doesn't deserve one. Okay, so I just posted one of the stop motion shorts on my channel. You can go check it out. It's beautiful. Watch it, rewatch it, share it, like it, and I don't know. But anyways, you should expect a stop motion that's like a stop motion episode. Okay, these guys are gonna have their own show. Oh, and Duck Hunt too. Yeah, I'm working on that show too. We're still stop motion. For sure we ready. Okay. Okay, so my cousin. This one is Cocomelon Fit. That's her name. Oh, you gotta get rid of these. Stupid thing, and I'll explain in a minute. But first, let's go. Also, she cooked. She forgot to get those. Alright, let's go. Oh no, one of them fell. Jerry, no! Terry with a Y and Terry with an I. No, you guys were too young. We're stuck. Why don't my phone joining? That's it. Bumpy ride. Oh, frick, we flipped it. We're still going. Oh, it stopped. Okay. Wait. Oh, wait, I got the can. Oh, wait. Can I use this? Dang, I can't. Yeah. Hold on. Okay. Bro, I can still use the ding. Okay, I can use the ding. Bro, that's my friend. There he is. He's speeding by. Bro, he did a 360. Oh no, one of the wheels fell off. It's fine. The Rams are broken though. Okay, this is our train, bro. Okay, this guy my cousin actually saved this. This train is very safe. Totally. Yeah. Right? Yeah. Safe train. I mean the boat. The train's supposed to flip over. The Hogwarts Express, our Hogwarts Express thing is supposed to flip over because look at the controls right here. Even though it's upside down, you have to kind of hurt your neck. Look, there's the controls. They're the grains of rice. There and these things are very fragile. So, Oh, we're good. We're good. It's great. We're gonna die. It's great. Now we're here. And now... Okay, hold on. If only... Okay, that has broken off. Okay, so that part of the boat has come off. Oh, we're cooked, bro. We're cooked. Family, they say family stay together. Sometimes, that's the opposite around here, cause let's just say we're not connected. Look. Hey, it's fine. Stupid door. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is actually quite good. It's fine. Just some hammers. Oh, wait, they're still over there. Wait, they're actually cooking. And now my cousin's cooked. He's cooked, bro. He's dead. He has died. Never mind. I'll take that back. I take it all back. It's crazy. We're still alive. Oh my god. He's gonna make it. He's gonna make it. He's gonna make it. He's gonna make it. Oh, here comes a tsunami. I'm cooked. I'm gonna get thrown off. He died. But he's still going. Oh, never mind. He dead. He did. We left him. Goodbye. Have a great time. Oh, great. Now we're in the monster mine. Oh my god, it's me! That's literally me! Yo, look at that! Oh, you guys can see. It's me over there. That's me. And that's me. And that's me over there. And I'm bald. There's no chair. Wait. This is why we need this. Hey, hon. We're still alive. Which is crazy. Oh my god, I'm paying. Okay, I died. Well, sad. And I'm still going. Okay, so we're gonna load my house. Okay, guys, I'm gonna allow you guys to dox me in 10 seconds. 10, 9, okay, here's the boat. Oh, never mind. 9, 10, 11, Cocomelon. 12, 13, okay, we died. Wait. There's Cocomelon. Weird person. No. Cocomelon. Okay, hold on. Beep, blah, blah, 2, 7, 8. Okay, it's done. There's my house. Okay, hold on. We gotta open this. Open this. Okay, we're good. Now we just gotta add our jetpacks. Green. Everybody grab the thing. Let's go. Grab it. We made it. Oh, we died. And then we fragged. It's amazing. And my friend joined us. Oh my god, it's a team of 4. Hey. This is amazing. God, we got. Get in the thing. Let's go. We lost the teammates. That was the Cocomelon. Cocomelon has officially left the chat. Okay, here. I could actually use this. Get in the thing. Alright, whatever. Let's go. I'll wait for him to finish doing that. And we'll close this. I gotta use the bathroom real quick. I can open it. This. Oh, yeah. Don't look over here. There's our plushie. That's our little dining table. Chimney. You can go in. Yeah. Some glass. Door. TV. Door. Get in. Alright, he's gonna stand on the roof. Let's give him A little chair. Little chair. There you go. You got a chair. It's perfect. We going. I said we going. Alright, gotta get rid of these guys real quick. Alright, let's go. You ready? Okay, it's taking a while. Great, now my cousin's building something. Okay, let's go. Let go. We're gonna stop for him. But what the heck happened? What the heck? You're dying! No! It was the little spot to drop down. Sorry for that. I had to help my mom with something. She hurt herself while filleting a fish. Yeah, so pretty much we barely moved at all. And I think everyone else has died. So will I. Oh my god, we're still going! We're still going even though I'm dead! Look at my body parts. Okay, okay, Brody. This is the guy who, wait, hold on. I'm gonna break in, actually. Hold on, wait. This the cop. I'm gonna jump off immediately. I'm not sitting, actually, hold on. Wait, I'll go with my cousin. Bro, what the heck is this? Hold on. I'm sitting on the damn seat. It's actually kind of cool. Okay. I'm getting told away. Yeah. I got him to go away. He thinks I'm with him, but secretly I left. Bro, I got him to leave. Alright, let go. Launch. Oh my god, the thing! The thing! No! We cooked! But we're actually okay, bro. Okay, now we might die because of him. Yeah, we're cooked, I tell you. Cooked! Anyways, I hope you enjoy it. Make sure you subscribe. Anyways, bye. Oh my god, bro. The ding, bro. The ding over there. The little protection spirits right there. And the guy's drifting. What are you doing? Donuts!